Alright, so here we go. I'm going to flip the switch to boot this thing. My two side LEDs are working. My strips are working. Although I gotta... Looks like I got a little bit of work to do there, but getting ready to button all this up. This is the Proffie. You can see the Proffie right there. I'm getting ready to punch it all in and neaten it up and slide the chassis home. Well, let's give it a test fire here. You have to forgive me because I'm using my phone, so I can't use the Bluetooth, but here goes the first fire. So that's all working. My crystal is working. You can see it in there. Let's try a blaster block. Yep, that's working. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do a lockup here, but hands are full. Success. Proffie's running.